Hey guys, this video is how to do it yourself on repairing your nails. So basically, these are my real nails. I do have a couple fake ones on there because when I was taking off my fake nails, some broke. So I just went to Sally's, got a couple fake nails, and repaired them myself. But I'm showing you guys how to repair. Things a minute because I can't see you. I'm showing you guys how to repair broken nails without cutting your nails off to make them even or walking around with chipped nails. I've seen the tea bag method, but that's going to be stuck for me. I'm really lazy, so I just found an easier thing that works for me. So these two are the fake ones. And I just measured, and this is my real thumbnail, and this is the fake one, and they're pretty much even. So I just measured them, and okay, so these two are fake. These two, and these two. So my index finger, my ring finger, and my index and thumb finger. So, this is how I repair my broken and fake nails. Perfect. So, what you'll need is some super glue. I just picked this up from the Dollar Tree. This kit is by ORLY Nail Rescue. And a buffer. And this is the medium to coarse buffer. So let's get started. I was taking off the polish, but I'm going to paint it that same color anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I don't want to have to make it naked. So, let me just give you guys a little rundown on this. So basically this product is amazing. I love everything about it. The only thing I don't like about it is the glue. Because the glue, nail glue that comes in packs like this, they're bound to suck. So that's expected. So this nail glue doesn't work too good. Super glue's always worked for me. I've always used it. My mom, my sisters, we all use it. So okay, and it comes with nail repair powder. And a little EMRY work. So what you have to do with this, first you have to put this brush on nail glue, and then you have to, right while your nail is wet with the glue, you have to dip it in, dip your nail in the powder, and then basically you're finished. Just buff it out and you're finished, which is really easy and quick. Instead of that nail powder, I'm just going to use some super glue. Instead of that nail glue, I'm just going to use some super glue. Oh, this sounds great. And, honestly, guys, I just, yesterday discovered this ORLY stuff because I had took off my nails earlier that day before I had to go to work. And I really needed something done to my nails because they were just looking tacky. And, honestly, I've never do my nails. So I decided to try everything myself, and I love it. I'm going to do this from now on. So I'm just applying the nail glue, the super glue, on my nails, and especially on the broken part. Oh, you guys didn't see it before. It was torn. Okay. I don't know if you can see it good, but it's red. It's like halfway red. I gotta get this done quick. So I'm just applying super glue into my whole nail. Well, the tip of my nail. So this is the focus area. Now, I'm going to immediately dip it in the powder. It looks like this. Powdery right after you dip it in. And you can just tell automatically your nails. You can just feel it hard enough, like right after that. So we press with that so it's kind of now, the nail is hard and it's good as new. Now all we do is buff it out. Because that super glue is little thick, so I need to buff it out. And you guys, the ORLY stuff is only about like $6. So you can't go wrong. That's like the best product I've found by far to making your nails nice and hard. And it's to easily repair cracks and broken nails. And my nail is like hard as a brick. There's no breaking it now. And there we have it. It is new. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye!